Mr. Agrawal, thank you very much for taking out time and speaking with Autocar Professional. I want to get your perspective on, the technological innovations that we are seeing and the broader trends that you see when we talk about bearings and the new disruption that is coming in the market, which is electric vehicles.
So there are two major disruptions which are coming. One is, of course, electrical vehicle, what we heard, especially coming in the passenger vehicles domain. And there's a lot of investment which is coming in, even in the shared mobility. So when you look at the bearing side, there are two major things which comes in. Is one, the speed of the motor, because we want to get highest efficiency. So the bearing should be running very efficiently and at that speed and gives a very high life. The second thing which is coming in with the range anxiety, there's a lot of things which we're doing is on the sensorization, so that we can get maximum out of the vehicle in terms of their battery management system or vehicle management system. So it improves the range and the real-time range which is coming in. So those are the two major things which we are seeing it. And as an NBC, we have already started working on these things and we have launched some product. And all this work is being done in India. So this is really like called Make in India for the world.
Right.
Now, how we get the input is we get the input mainly from the local market, as well as we have opened a global tech center in Germany, which is leading a lot of things on innovation. So that team keeps what is happening in the market, and accordingly we prepare ourselves to make those technologies.
Right. You talked about this sensorization of your bearings. So if you can just give me a bit more details, how does it work, and are you already supplying this to any OEMs, be it across two-wheelers, passenger vehicle segments in India?
Yes, we are supplying to one of the three-wheeler cargo vehicles, which is because they care about a lot. And the second thing is, this is something which gives them the power in terms of the optimization of the system. So we are already supplying. So there are 3-4 things which we are looking at in the sensor concept. One is the direction of rotation, the position, which goes into the ABS information. And then next round, which you are seeing, is the temperature is already inside, so that we know when it has to be changed. And the next, which we have done already in our lab environment, is getting the real load condition. Because the range of the vehicle will be a big function of the load which it is carrying, and it cannot be just theoretical. So we have already have a proven concept now, and we are trying to find a partner who can do all this work.
So you see the potential of this going to the passenger vehicle and the two-wheeler segments as well?
Yes, it will mainly go for passenger vehicle and as well as wherever there is a payload coming